Welcome guys. So in this video we are going to see the new cycle I got previous year. It's been around 7-8 months since I've got it, and that's the unboxing video I'm going to see. I will try to explain the features of the cycle and why I chose this one, all the things along with the unboxing of the cycle. Unboxing as in it's basically installation in the shop. So that's what we're going to see. Let's get on to that. So finally guys, this is the cycle. It is the Roadeo Warcry. It's neon orange color. This is how it comes out of the box, and there are gear caps and every feature you want in a cycle are available in this. It's 26 inches frame, and there are the two gears in the front, one for the front one and another one for the gears behind. So all the installation is done in the shop, and yes, you have to pay extra for the installation, but it's better to do that way because they know what they are doing, and when we try to install we might not get the alignment and the screwing part right. So if you are not aware of what you're doing with a cycle, better to go with someone who knows about how to install one. So in this cycle, what you basically are seeing is the seat, as you can see behind it is extendable. You can change the height, go up and down, so you can change that height, but the front part that you can't change. The height remains the same, so you have to align the seat based on the handlebar, because handlebar you cannot raise in this cycle. And yes, it does come with two disc brakes, one in the front, one in the back. So the quality of this cycle so far, it's been like around 8 months or so since I have got it. It's been really good, and the ride quality is really good. The gear change and everything works really well. The overall feel, because it's my first geared cycle, it definitely feels a lot comfortable to ride on, because I have been riding with it like around 20-30 kilometers now and then whenever I go outside. So it doesn't feel like a very physical exhausting kind of a thing, because the gears actually makes it a lot easier. People say that the non-geared cycle might not like vary too much from the geared cycle, but from my experience it definitely makes a lot of difference, especially when you are riding some through a flyover or something. Definitely it matters a lot, because you can always change the gears based on the kind of plane you are riding on, and you can change the gears and have a really comfortable ride throughout. Like you never have the issue of knee pain or anything, or any physical exhaustion due to riding, because the ride quality is really good on this. Yes, the pricing can be slightly more than the non-geared version, because it has gear, obviously. So the gear used in the cycle is the micro shift. You can opt for the Shimano Tourney as well, but I got the micro shift version, and it is definitely comfortable. People say that micro shift is a slightly older version, but it's more stable. And when it comes to usage of gears, it's always about how you use it than how the product actually is. So the durability and everything matters a lot, yes, but the way you use it, the way you shift the gears and use the gears, that actually makes the gear last longer than more than anything, because the product quality will always be based on how much you are how much money you are giving. And this cycle I bought it in Saukarpet Broadway, in Bharati Cycles, which costed me around 15,000 along with all the accessories. Completion of the installation right here. The front wheel is installed. That's the only separate part which comes, because the back tire has the gear. It always is pre-installed. Front wheel will be the one which will be installed later after you unbox it. So that was the video, guys. I just wanted to share regarding this, because I have been cycling a lot off late. Whenever I try to go outside and want to have some cycling time or have some work around, I always try to take my cycle more than anything, because it's actually fun. So that was the unboxing video. Why I shared it, I don't know. You tell me in the comment section. Also, if you guys want to know anything more about the cycle, ask it in the comment section. I will try to answer them because we can. And also thanks to Spidey Gaming for the level 5 membership, and also other members for supporting the channel through membership. You can also do that. Join button, done. See you guys, take care, bye bye.